Good day viewer. Today we are going to cover angles which are related to triangles. So the angular properties, the advantage that we get out of the properties of the angles which are within or outside the triangle. So for this purpose, let me first introduce you what a triangle is. I know this has been covered in class 7 and class 8, but still for completeness it is necessary to introduce triangle before its angular properties are discussed. Okay, let's say what a triangle is. A triangle is an area which is covered by three sides. Okay, so we generally write A at the top, and then again we use counterclockwise direction to write A, B, C. So a triangle, a triangle, a triangle. So angle comes in there. Tri means three. So a triangle has three angles. Okay, so these are the three angles, 1, 2, and 3. It has got three sides. Okay, this side, and this side. This side is generally called a base because it's at the bottom. So this is BC, is always taken conventionally, is taken at base. And it has got three vertex. What are the three vertex? This one is one, this one is the other one, this one is the other one, and this is the third one. And secondly, and the most important thing, one of the things that you will see, this is also a closed space. This place is closed. So this is closed space. So being a closed space, so this inside is called interior, and this is called exterior. Exterior means which is all the things which are outside the boundaries of this thing. So we can call it boundaries. So all this area, this line will be a boundary, and so these are the, so that means it will also have a perimeter. Because I can measure the AB, BC and CA. I can measure all this thing is there. Okay, now these triangles are also, they are also classified. They are also classified. How they are classified? There are three classifications. One, we will call it equilateral, which means AB, the distance AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay, that is equilateral triangle. And the sign of a triangle is a very small triangle. So whenever we talk about a triangle, we will put up this particular sign, and that will give you a triangle. Okay, what are the next one? The next one is isosceles. Isosceles triangle means what? It means that the two sides are equal. So it should have two sides equal. Any two sides. any two sides, means these two sides, this side, this side, this side and this side are equal. Okay, now since here the angles becomes different. So we can say isosceles triangle, I can bring it here, it can be acute angle, it can also be obtuse angle, and it can also be right angle. So be careful, whenever you are shown in multiple choice questions, MCQs, that which type of angle this thing, you look at it various points of view. What would be an acute angle? Say this is, if I make these two sides equal, AB equal to BC, then this becomes an acute angle isosceles triangle. To make it obtuse, what do I have to do? I have to make one of these triangle, one of these angle, obtuse angle, right? At the same time, maintaining the two sides equal. So let us do it, okay? So obtuse means more than 100. So I have done this one, and I have to see then my base may have to be reduced a little bit in order to accommodate these two sides being equal. So it will be something like this. So these two sides will be, one of these angles will be obtuse. So this angle is obtuse. Okay, so one of these angles, these two angles, this angle and this angle remains acute. Okay, so before you answer a question on triangle, be careful what you are looking at it. And of course, in case of right angle, one of the angles will be 90 degree. So I can draw that angle and I can show you this. What do I have to do in this case? This side will be angle will be 90 degree, and these two sides will be equal. And these two sides will be equal. So it immediately gives you two properties. If these two sides are equal, then you can easily say these two angles would be equal. Okay, because one of them is 90 degree, and they have to be equal because this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now we have covered this isosceles. The last one, which is also is very prevalent and can be, you must know that's called scalene. SCALENE. So what is the scalene? What is a scalene triangle? So there, all three sides, all three sides are unequal, are not equal. So I didn't have a page, not equal. So all three sides are not equal, means they are all different. The base and the other two sides are wrong. Again, this classification again remains the same. There can be acute, obtuse angle and right angle. And AB is not equal to BC and not equal to CA. Okay? So I think this is an enough introduction of your triangle. This you can combine with your other knowledge that you have learned into school or in your coaching classes. And so in this way, together, you will see this is 3 plus your isosceles triangle 3 plus equilateral triangle. So it gives you 7 varieties of triangle. 7 varieties of triangle. Varieties of triangles. Okay? So this should, somebody can test your knowledge on this type of information. Okay, now let us see what we are going to discuss today and solve some problems, numerical problems on this. Would be the following properties. The first properties let us take. First property, it says that if you have a triangle, let's say you have a triangle like this, okay, this is the base, you have a triangle A, B and C, the sum of the properties, that means angle ABC, which contains this angle, plus angle BCA, which is this angle, and angle CAB, which is this angle. So these three angles. So let's name them. One is ABC 1, 2 and 3. That will be equal to 180. Okay, we have used these properties before in case of in solving the problems regarding angles. Okay, now we'll say, how do you prove this? Okay, all you have to do, say let us take it as a problem. All you have to do is to draw a line parallel to BC through A. Okay, so what I have done, I have drawn a line, let's call it M, line M, that is parallel to BC. Okay, we have learned enough of this. So this angle 2 will be here, this will be equal. So let us call it angle 4. Therefore, and this AC as a transversal. This is AC as a transversal. If we do that, then, okay, let's take BC. No, let us take this one as a transversal. Okay, therefore, I can say angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Okay, and again, M is parallel to BC, so I have taken this as a transversal, so angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Right? So now let's call this angle 2, not angle 3, sorry. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. This is angle 5. Why? They are alternate angles. Okay? So again, so if I add up now, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 will be what? Will be equal to 180 degree. Because this whole angle is a straight angle. Okay, so this is very simple. All I have done, I have drawn a parallel and I have taken the advantage of alternate. 1 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 5 and 3 was already therein. So I have added them and this becomes equal to this. Okay, so this is over. We have done this. Now while I am again erasing the board or cleaning the board, I am going to request you to like my channel and subscribe. Again I repeat, subscription does not cost you any money and you have to subscribe only one. So more I get subscription, more will be my channel will be available to other students or other viewers. Because as soon as you type require that angles and lines, you will see my video pop up. So to do that, I need a lot of subscription. So please take this time, couple of, I will say even 20 seconds in order for you to do this. Just click both like and subscription. Okay. Next I am going to show another very important properties about angles of a triangle. Okay, let's say this triangle. And let us say I have extended this side. Okay, let's mark them, otherwise this and that has got no meaning. A, let me write down B, let me write down C. It's not only I can extend on this side, I can also extend it on this side. I can also extend this on this side, and as well as on this side, I can extend this one on this side, and I can extend this one on this side. So I have extended it. Okay. Now what has happened? I have now obtained this angle. Okay. I have obtained this angle. Let us concentrate only on this line first. Okay. So they will be called exterior angles. Exterior angle. So this is also exterior angle. This is also exterior angle. Okay, let me again write 1 for this angle, 2 for this angle, and 3 for this angle. I will call this angle as 4. So angle 4 would be equal to angle 2 plus angle 1. So the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. That means we don't consider this, but we consider these two. Okay? Am I correct with this one? Okay. How do I can prove it? Again, you have to, we'll take up that proof later on. Let me complete this. Similarly, if I take this one as 5, then again angle 5 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. You can again go around. For this angle, this would be the exterior angle. Okay, this will be the exterior angle. Now they are also vertically opposite angle. So if this is true, then this will be true. Similarly, if this is true, then this will also be true. All these you can apply on all the 3 of the exterior angles. Okay, now I will take up some of the sums which we can understand any further on these issues. Okay, now, okay. Let's look at the proof also a little bit. Okay, it won't take much of a time. Let us see angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. Right? Because why? Why? They are linear pair. They are linear pair. Okay, now let's see what? Angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equal to 180. So this one, this is if I call it 1 and this I call it 1, they are equal to the same thing. So I can write down angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Remove angle 3 from both sides. Remove this as well as remove this. So it becomes angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So okay, so the exterior angle 4 is equal to opposite, sum of opposite two interior angles 1 and 2. This is over, this is good. There's something like this, simple things can also be given, and in sorry, how difficult it is to prove. There is nothing to be worried about. Let us say, so we will now take up some few sums. and then we will be able to show you what are their applications. So this, whatever we proven and whatever we have shown is the properties. So we talked about two of the angular properties. There are other properties. So when we go for congruency of the triangle, which will be the subject matter of my following videos, we will again discuss those properties in details, so that because we will be using them. Okay. Now it says that this is a problem is like this. You have a triangle. Okay, I'll take a little bit of time in drawing it, because I'm drawing it in your presence, on this. This is because you should take some time to understand. I don't want to go my videos in Satabdi's Express type, where I want to show you and enjoy that we are solving this problem. So this is PQR. This angle is given. This angle is given as X. And this is, it will take time, and they will drop a perpendicular on this. Okay? So this will be marked as QT, and this sign is given, that means it says also perpendicular, that this is 90 degree. Okay? So, and this angle is 40 degree given. 40 degree given. Okay? This is X, that means we have to find out. This is, I can say, given. Okay, now there is a line from here, and this line is not a perpendicular bisector. Okay? And this line is not a perpendicular bisector, but this is drawn, so I don't get any advantage out of it. So this is given. This is S is given here. And this angle, it says, is Y. Okay? Now we have to find out, okay, the top angle is given here as 30. This is given as 30. Okay, let's see how we can solve this. If you, first of all, if you see this triangle, the small triangle, it is a giveaway. Why? Because here 90 degree is this angle plus X plus Y. That is also given, plus Y. That is 40. That is the sum of interior angles of a triangle. So that is 180. Therefore, X equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So one thing done, 1x we have been able to find out. Now let us look at this particular triangle. This is also a triangle. Okay, this also is a triangle. Okay, if this is a, I take advantage of this, I can say Y is an exterior angle. Angle Y is an exterior angle. Exterior angle to triangle PSR. Triangle PSR. So what? So what is this? Then I can say Y equal to X plus 30 degree. Okay? I have already X. So X is 50 plus 30. So that will give you 80 degrees. Is that okay? Is that okay? So it solves easily, very easily. We have taken advantage of both the properties. Outside exterior angle, that relationship we have taken, and sum of interior angle relationship also we have taken to solve two problems. So this is already made, a solution is there. I thought I will repeat it to you so that you can find out very, very easily. And this is very easily, the solution is okay, this is good, there is. Next one what I am going to show you is something little bit other than whatever given in the book. Okay, it says again a angle, a triangle, okay, a triangle. I have to first draw slowly. So, A, B and C, okay. Now, this side I will extend it to E, okay. This side C is extended to D, okay. Now, this angular bisector here is drawn, this angular bisector is drawn, okay, and they meet at what you call O. Okay, you can see this is given in the book. Okay, it is given, this one as given as X, this is given as Y, and this is given as Z. Okay, and it says prove that angle BOC, BOC means which angle? This angle is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. Okay, what is BAC? BACX. So I can write down 90 degree minus half of x, right? Or you can write the little bit fancy, you can write down 90 degree minus x by 2. Okay, this is we have to prove. Okay, this is as given in the book. This is as given in the book. This is what I have done further operations to show that it ultimately does like this. Now, let us do it this way, and which will be very convenient and easy. Since this is a bisector, I can call this angle 1 and 1. This is also a bisector. I can call this angle 2 and 2. Okay. So let us say this is a exterior angle to the triangle. So angle 1 plus angle 1 will be equal to x plus z. Why? Again let us say why. Why? Because angle x1 plus angle 1, that is equal to angle CBE, is an exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Okay, done? Okay. Similarly, let us try another. Similarly, we try it on this side. This is 2 plus 2 would be equal to y plus x, or let us write x plus y. Again the same reasoning. Why? Why? Because angle 2 plus 2, that is equal to angle DCB, is an exterior angle to triangle ABC. Okay, done? Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Add 1 and 2. So I am coming from here to on this side here. So 1 and 2, if I add up, then it becomes angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2 is equal to x plus y. Yes, x plus y plus x plus z. Okay? So now this I can write 2 into angle 1, right, plus 2 into angle 2, and this is x y plus z plus x. No problem? Anybody? You cannot have, this is simple mathematics which you must have done in class 8 or 7 and 8. So now what do? I take this x, y, z and put it 180 here. Why? Because they are sum of interior angle of the triangle. Now I have to write the triangle ABC. Okay? So I can have, now you can see easily. So I have angle x, I have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, this will be divided by 2 because I am dividing it by 2. This will be 90 plus x by 2. Okay, now what is angle BOC? Angle BOC is this angle. Let us call it, y have used 2 and 2. Let me call this one as angle 3. Okay, I can now write also angle 3 plus angle only 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Now I am talking about which angle? I am talking about this particular angle. Okay, so this particular angle we are talking about. And there again I am not going to repeat. Now you should know that this is the sum of, okay, for completeness, this is sum of interior angles of triangle BOC. Okay, now what do I do? I go here, okay? I go here, then I can write down, I can substitute this equation, this particular equation to here. So if I substitute that, then I will write angle 3 plus, so from here I am going here. So angle 3 plus 90 degree plus x by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, therefore angle 3 is equal to 90 degree to minus x by 2. What is angle 3? Angle 3 is nothing but angle BOC. This is, in our notation, this is angle 3. Okay, you see, this is much better than the way that has been treated by this thing. So this gives it the advantage of that given in the book. So this is the advantage of using notations. Use this one. Don't say this is half of this, each time writing the angle and you are getting confused, what is this, which angle is this thing. This is right in front of you, right in the board, and all you have to do is to find out which one is to go where. Okay, so this takes care of whatever. This is solved in the book. Let us take another example. Now we will take, I will again take this time to request all my viewers to please like my video and also subscribe if you have not subscribed already, because per one person only one subscription is required. As I said, I have got number of likes, and I also would like to have similar number of subscriptions. The subscription will take this video to many number of students. Some of them may be in the villages, in the village schools. So if they have hold of a tablet or a computer and have internet connections, they would be able to see my videos. There is no charge. You don't have to be a member of any academy. So I will again request you to please subscribe to my channel, and we will take up all these problems. Okay, now this is exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. First question. First question, it says you have a triangle. You have a triangle. This triangle is PQR. PQR. And this side is extended to T. So extended to T. And this exterior angle is 110 degree. This side is also extended to S. And this angle is 135. Okay, what it says, find PRQ. PRQ, find out this angle. Okay, let me write down then the angle. Okay, let's call it 1, let's call it 2, and let us call it 3. So find angle 3. Okay, this is our assignment. Okay, we'll go and use whatever we have at our disposal. We can write, and this angle will be the sum of angle 2 plus angle 3. So 135 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Why? This is because 135 is the exterior angle of a triangle, is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR, right? 135 degree. And here 110 degree is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Again the same reasoning. Okay, so I will just write do and let it go. Okay, this will also save a little bit of time. Okay, so this is 2. What I will do now, I just add them. Okay, so I will have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3, because 3 has come twice, is equal to 5, 4, 2, because addition of these two, right? Okay, what do I have? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 3. This portion I can easily write 180 plus angle 3 is equal to 245. Again, this is sum of interior angles of a triangle. Okay, so you get, what you get as angle 3 is equal to 245 minus 180, that is 5, 6. That is equal to angle 3 is equal to 65 degrees. Is it done? Okay, this is 135 degree. Okay, this is 110 degree. Okay, have I done it? 5, 5, 4, 2, and this is 5, 4, 2 minus 180. So this is 5, this is 5, and this is 55. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so we'll go to the next. So this was problem number 1. Okay, next one. Okay, again same exercise. I have not changed exercise. Again my request, please subscribe to my channel and also like my channel, because I want this video to go to village, especially to villages where they can have only one tablet or a laptop or a computer and see this a number of times. I am not requesting any one of you to join any academy or any classes or anything like that. This video will reach to you free of cost. Okay, now here is, you have another. This is number 2. You have another one which is x. Okay, these are all written conventionally as in capital letters. So we will write an inside angle, so otherwise there will be a confusion. And this angle is given as 62. This is given. Okay, this is given. And then these are the bisectors of the angle, inside angles. These are the bisectors. Okay. This is given as 54. So this angle is 54 if this is given. Right? This is given, this is given. What we have to find out? We have to find out are the bisectors. So these are bisectors. So I can write, if I write, let me write this one as angle 1. This would be then 2 and 2. This would be the bisector. This shows also the bisector 3 and 3. Okay, I have written like this because then it reminds me that they are bisectors. Otherwise, you cannot write this. And this is, I have said, this is given, this angle is given. So bisector of this one is given. What do I have to find out? Find angle OZY. OZY. So that is, find angle 3. Okay? And YOZ. Y. Oh, okay, what is Y? This is Y. Angle YOZ. Find out this angle. Okay? Now I have not marked, given anything. Okay, for completeness, let us say this is angle 4. Okay. What do I do then? I can take care of this angle. I can get this whole angle. Okay. This whole angle will be what? This will be again from the sum of angles. So angle 3 plus angle 3, that will be equal to, it will be equal to 180 degree minus 62 and plus 54. Okay, 62 and 54, what is it? 611, right? 611. So this is, if I minus 116 from here, 4 to 6. So this is 64 degree. Okay, so angle 3. So find angle 3. So half of, therefore angle 3 is equal to 32 degrees. So one job is done. Okay, what else is to be found out? We have to find out also find angle YOZ, that is equal to angle 4. Okay. How do I now? I know angle 3. I know angle 2. Why is given? Angle 2 is half of 54. That is equal to 27 degrees. Right? So in one case I have, so if I now concentrate or if I take into account this particular angle, this particular triangle. So saying angle, it always comes angle in your lips, but actually now we have to switch over to triangle. So if I take triangle y, we have to use the convention O Y Z. Then I have angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Right? I know angle 2 and angle 3. I know angle 2 and I know angle 3. So it's easy to find out. So therefore angle 4 plus 27 plus 32 is equal to 180. Okay? So therefore we can write further. We'll continue, we'll write further. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 27 plus 32. 27 plus 32, 9 plus 5, 59. Okay, so if I take out here, I don't need this thing anymore because I don't have to use these things anymore. I have already transferred the data there. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 59, that is equal to 1 to 121. So I have got this one at 121. Okay, it's done.